Hello, this is Archana. I use bullflow.io to know what options data is coming, right? What kind of options flow is coming. So today I saw something, right? Sweet Greens. This is a salad place, I think, some restaurant place, fast food. It was a growth name, 2024, rallied a lot. Now it is really tanking. Almost 850,000 worth of July, $18 calls came in. Okay, so I was interested in this, right? The total bull flow is 945K versus bearish only 13.69K. So this interested me. So I went ahead and looked at the chart. And if you look at the chart looks bearish. This is the weekly chart. Okay, if I look at the weekly chart over here, okay, this is last week when everything, right? Last 2 weeks when things were falling. This week we are even below the 10% up day that we had. We are below that. So this is really bearish. And then seeing somebody buying in the money calls um, still intrigued me, right? So let's see what I can do and come up with a trade. There is this gap over here. Okay, this is the daily chart. It has fallen. It was at 46. Now it's at 18. It has fallen. But this was the earnings gap that it had from February 2024, correct? So, do you, when the chart is this bearish and you see flow, do you get in? Let's see what I can do with coming up a trade that will be okay if it goes down, okay if it goes up, and it can still make money. Okay, so the daily chart, if you look at it, even the Bollinger Band is still negative momentum. It's still expanding, so there is no bullish trade, and there is a bullish trade, a bullish flow coming in. So let's see this. Okay, over here the high is almost 1306. Okay, so 1306 is the gap fill. So if I want that, if it goes up, I make money. If it comes down also, and I do not mind getting put the stock, right? You do not mind owning the stock at 13, then what would you do? Okay. So we are at 18 right now, right? 1850s, right? And you think, look here, put call ratio is only 0.26, call sizzle is 4.12. This is also agreeing with it. So I was thinking, okay, if I sell 17 puts for January 2026, I'm getting almost $4 for it. 17 minus 4, my cost basis would be 13, right? If I get $4 here, 17 minus 4, my cost basis would be 13. That gap fill would happen. And if it goes down, I get put the stock. I am willing to own the stock at 13. I am willing to sit at it. Then I can do that. I can sell this, make $4 here. If this, right, the flow that it shows is for July, correct? So if it rallies, right, this is where it is. If it rallies, I will be able to make money because the short puts that I do, the puts that I sell will expire, right? The premium will decay. So I'll make money if it goes up. If it goes down but is above 17, I keep the $4. If it goes below 13, if it goes below 17, I get put the stock, but my cost basis is 13. Okay, so that is how I'm going to do it. And I intend to make these kind of videos, and I will be what kind of trade can be done based on flow. I will show that, and I will put it over here. Okay, this is going to be a um, sheet, right? um, Google Sheet where I will track based on flow. I will come up with a trade and track how that trade did. Okay. See you guys. Let's see how this trade works. So as of now, I'm selling Jan 2026 17 puts for $4. Okay. See you guys. Bye.